How to get Fubo TV free trial. Get your free trial through my affiliate link in the descriptions of this video. After you click the link, you will land in a page like this. Then just click Start your free trial. So first, you should create an account to start watching. Fill in the details and click Continue. Next, you'll choose your plan. The available plans are Pro, Elite with Sports Plus, Deluxe, and Latino. The available channels in these plans vary, as you can see here. However, all of them include unlimited DVR, which means you can record unlimited amount of programs. Sports Plus and Deluxe include 4K, as well as NFL Red Zone. So choose your plan and click Next. Next, you will be proceeding to checkout. Next, you can try add-ons for free during your trial. So add any add-ons you wish to try by clicking this plus icon and then confirm and start watching. Click My Profile and start watching. And that's it. You can get your free trial through my affiliate link in the descriptions of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.